What have you achieved by participating in the Pi Network project? Of course, we all joined this project for our own benefit. But did you know that there are 3 beneficiary groups in the Pi Network? We, the pioneers, are just one link in the chain. It's a community project where we create value together and benefit together. Today's video will analyze the 3 existing beneficiary groups in the Pi Network, their tasks and benefits. And among these 3 groups, which one will benefit the most? Like, subscribe to support the channel and don't miss out on the great videos about the Pi Network. Thank you, pioneers. When you join the Pi Network project, you need to understand its nature, and only then can we make accurate decisions. Imagine the Pi Network project as a cryptocurrency playground where there are 3 groups of people playing together for mutual benefit. Firstly, of course, there is the Pi core team, which is the team that creates the playground, the rules of the game, and manages this Pi Network game. Secondly, there are the pioneers, the group of users who decide whether to play and what games to play. Thirdly, there is the group of developers and businesses. This group will create games to attract pioneers to play. These 3 groups are interdependent and have benefits tied to each other. Playing together on the Pi Network playground, but each group has different rights and responsibilities. Analyze each group carefully so you can understand the Pi Network playground. And let's play this game correctly. The Pi core team created the Pi Network to revolutionize cryptocurrency. In this playground, it is fair to everyone. It is transparent so that everyone can check and trust the Pi Network. The mission of the Pi core team is to continuously design and develop the Pi Network platform. Many people are just waiting for the open mainnet and consider it the project's success. But there are dozens of other crypto projects on the market that have already opened their mainnet. Are they successful, or is it just a story of buying low and selling high? Some win because others lose. If you understand this point, you will see that Pi Network has already fulfilled all its features. Opening the mainnet is just allowing exchanges to list Pi coin for trading. Opening the mainnet doesn't introduce any new features to the Pi Network. The Pi Network playground is created to benefit everyone who participates in it, corresponding to the effort they put into the project. Whoever puts in more effort will reap more benefits accordingly. This is what the Pi core team is, and will continue to do. They will make sure that no one can manipulate the Pi Network to ensure the project's sustainable development, so that everyone can trust to work with the Pi Network. To make developers and businesses feel comfortable investing their products in the Pi Network. If you still intend to make a big profit with the Pi Network and then move on to another project, you won't be able to do it. The Pi core team won't let you. Either commit to participating long-term with the project, a sustainable benefit, or find another project right now. There is no shortage of cryptocurrency projects for free mining on the market now, is there? So what benefits does the Pi core team get from creating a playground like this? Are they the ones who benefit the most? The answer is no, the Pi core team doesn't get the biggest benefit from participating in the Pi Network. Let's move on to the second group of beneficiaries of the project. The pioneers. Many pioneers join the Pi Network with the expectation of receiving Pi coins into their wallets and then hope to sell them for a lot of money to solve their financial needs. But if you do that, you won't provide any long-term benefits to the Pi Network project. You're just a scavenger coming to eat a little of the Pi Network project's carcass. That's right, if all pioneers think like that. Just mine Pi coins and then sell them for cash and leave. The Pi Network project will die. Of course, the Pi core team won't let you do that and enjoy significant benefits. You'll only be able to get a little if you do that. If you want to enjoy significant benefits with the Pi Network, you'll need to go along with the project. The rule when joining the Pi Network is that the Pi core team rewards you daily for participating in the project, and the Pi coin rewards you can use within the Pi Network ecosystem. The sooner you join and introduce more people to join the Pi Network with you, the more rewards you'll receive. The benefit for you, for all the pioneers, is that you can use the Pi Network ecosystem to integrate with your own work, to do business. Right now, that's the best way to use the Pi Network. You need to find a way to combine the Pi Network with your life and gradually bring the Pi Network to be present everywhere in the world. Developing together is your mission if you want to join the Pi Network now. If you still don't want to contribute anything to the Pi Network project and just want to sell Pi coins for cash, you'll have to wait quite a long time to be able to sell Pi coins at a high value. Only when the Pi Network ecosystem is perfectly developed with a large and strong user base will be the time when the value of Pi coins rises. But right now or next year, you won't be able to do that. As for the third beneficiary group, developers and businesses, when they see the Pi Network playground has many players and is a fair and transparent playground, they will come and create games to attract players. You should know that they don't care about Pi coins. What they care about is the players, the pioneers, whether their games attract enough players. Their main benefit is having many players come to them. For Pi Network and Pi Coin, they are just tools. Therefore, if all users, all pioneers, refuse to play games created by developers and businesses, the Pi Network project will fail. The more players, the more developers, and businesses will invest and create better games. This is also a benefit for pioneers when you are rewarded with Pi coins and can use them to play these games. Those who join the Pi Network later and don't have Pi coins will have to spend money to buy them to play these games. That's when pioneers want to sell Pi coins for cash. They can sell their Pi coins at a high price. Finally, let's come to the third group of beneficiaries, developers, and businesses. They come to the Pi Network playground to make a profit from the large number of users in the project. Not because of Pi coin like us. Pi Network developers and businesses are just tools to help them access users. Here they will invest money to develop D-apps, then users will use them. The more users they attract, the more benefits they will get. Nowadays, with the development of the internet, the revenue from the internet will also be very large. Another important thing that makes this group feel secure investing money and effort is that the Pi Network is fair and transparent. What businesses fear most when investing is the risk of capital. They are afraid that the project they invest in will collapse due to poor management by the project owner and the lack of transparency, leading to gradual withdrawal and project bankruptcy. DApp developers, businesses also come to the Pi Network project for their own benefit. However, they need to develop D-apps that not only bring benefits to themselves but also bring common benefits to the Pi Network project. Therefore, we still need the rules of the Pi core team. Otherwise, there will be sharks jumping in to disrupt the Pi Network market and potentially take over the project. For developers and businesses, they will need to invest a considerable amount of money, effort to develop D-apps. After the DApp operates stably, they will gradually recoup the capital they have invested. But tell me, if all pioneers are only concerned about quickly selling their Pi coins without using the D-apps, where will the Pi Network project succeed? Where will the value of Pi coin grow? With these three beneficiary groups in the Pi Network, the benefits of related groups are closely tied together. But obviously, the group that benefits the most is the pioneer group. This video analysis aims to change your mindset when participating in the Pi Network project. We hold a large amount of Pi coins in our hands. Pioneers need to consider the Pi Network project as their own project. And so, if we want to succeed, we need to make every effort to protect the Pi Network and help it succeed. No matter how much effort the Pi core team puts in, how much developers and businesses invest, 80% of the Pi coin supply will still be held by pioneers. We need to contribute our efforts to ensure the sustainable development of the Pi Network. The Pi coin rewards when you participate in the Pi Network will continue to be distributed to pioneers according to the model. Pioneers use Pi coins within the ecosystem, and that amount will flow back to the Pi core team and then continue to be redistributed to the Pi Network user community. With each cycle like this, it generates a lot of value for the project. We call it the currency circulation. The faster this cycle, the more value it creates. As a pioneer, you need to act to contribute to accelerating this currency circulation of the Pi Network. Your effort invested in the project will be rewarded accordingly. Good luck, pioneer!